If you're a parent who's been caring for sick children recently, you probably dealt with this. Out of luck looking for things like Tylenol and Advil.
Much needed relief for kids with a cold or flu still in short supply. So when could the store shelves finally be restocked? Here's CTV's Beth McDonnell.
This is usually the Tylenol, Advil liquid and chewable tablets, and as you can tell, that's completely empty.
It's become a common sight at the pharmacy. Medicine to relieve pain or bring down a fever for little ones not on the shelf. The low supply dates back months, but has depleted even further. Owner and parent Mina Massey says families are running around to different pharmacies, coming up empty-handed, and he can't order the drugs from the warehouse.
Unfortunately, there's a ton of panic right now. If you have a sick child, you're worried already. So when you have a sick child and you can't get medication for them, it's extremely difficult.
The Ontario Pharmacists Association says Massey is not alone. The shortage is widespread across Ontario and Canada, caused by existing supply chain issues and with school back, high demand.
As we've seen more of these respiratory illnesses circulating in children because of those drops in public health precautions that protect against COVID-19, but also other respiratory illnesses like coughs and colds.
The association says the shortage is not a production issue and supply is expected to recover mid to late fall. Until then, there are options. It says some compounding pharmacies can make liquids, and at times adult tablets can be used for children based on a child's weight. But it's important to speak with a healthcare provider.
But you do definitely want to make sure you know the best dose for the child, because we want to make sure they get enough medicine and also they're not getting too much that could be dangerous for them or toxic for them.
Dr. Dina Kulik says overbuying contributed to the shortage. Some pharmacies now prevent people from buying large quantities.
I was able to find 2 bottles, and luckily I have that, so we're okay for now, but who knows, it is a concern.
You have to go to the doctor and get it prescribed, and sometimes even with that you can't find stock.
We haven't stockpiled as much. Thankfully, he's been well.
The province says it encourages normal buying habits, that children's Tylenol and Advil are not experiencing active shortages. Sick Kids Hospital says it has maintained a supply for patients. Beth McDonnell, CTV News.